Beijing University, I teach there for 13 years already. Most of the students told me after the class, they improve their Excel. They become very good in Excel. Then we are in environmental science department. So when people do their analysis of their data, they find it become very easy. And so I think Excel can help people when you are working in industry or business. So in Beijing University, I told them your topic about your thesis maybe would not be related to your job in the future, but the technique would be help you to do many things in your job. So I hope this time, maybe two weeks, maybe I hope I can share all my experience here. We create step by step. Every step, we were very, very happy to find out the method to go. So you cannot enjoy my process before 10 years, but you can have my result here. So there are two things we have to know. First, database. This is Web of Science. The founder is Eugene Garfield. He just passed away last February. He's a big man in bibliometric field. He found this database in last century, 1950. I think without this database, science and research would be very difficult. In this database, there are many terms here, many databases here, but we always use this one, Web of Science co-collection. Fortunately, in USC, you buy everything here. Yeah. So that's why people say, hey, I would like to do my PhD in USC. Why? Because of database, because of library. Then you can find everything here. But in many countries, they don't even have any database. Yeah. In my university, Asian University in Taiwan, we don't have it. So I don't know how to do research. And in some universities, they just buy some of them. And the year, this one is from 19th century, 1900. So this is the whole thing. So this is very lucky, so you can do everything here. For example, how many papers here? The first one is SCI, Science Citation Index Expanded. Everything about science and engineering. How many papers here start from year? $55 million papers here. So this is very big data. In our department, maybe we will consider about the social science. So the second one is social science citation index. How many papers here? 9 million. So every time when I do my research, for example, cancer, I would like to know what do people do about cancer. So we type searching keyword. Then we find out, we search all of cancer-related paper from 9 million papers. The most important thing is that, what is your keyword? People say, oh yeah, I'm doing cancer, so cancer is my keyword. But no, carcinoma also is keyword. Carcinoma also is cancer. Tumor also is cancer. So you have to think about everything about your topic. So in China, every time I have class like this, it's about 10 people. Everybody, they have their own topic about their thesis. So you have to create your keywords. Then we download everything, all the data, all the papers. Then I'll teach you how to find out the main focus and the trends. This is what I'm going to do in USC. So if you are not interested in research, you will feel, it's boring, it's paper, nothing about my business. But actually, think about that. Why people publish paper? Because there's a problem. For example, cancer. There's a cancer problem, so people publish paper for cancer. How to publish? You have to do your experiment. Where is money? If you have no money, you cannot do anything. So that means the government or company, they prepare money, research grant for researchers. Then if the researcher do it well, good, then they can publish paper. So you are going to do your business. You don't care about research paper, but something you can find here. So I think in the first part, my part is about academic. So in the future, for example, you will program Python, right? Yeah. I'm interested to know how many papers about Python in academic science, and what do people do about Python? Do they use it in business or hospital or anything? What people do? Yeah, that's I would like to do. Maybe we can have collaboration in the future. So now you know what are they going to do. So next time, I would like to teach you step by step to know the trends and focus, but with your data. But I'm not sure each of you have your interest in your data. If you don't have it, I want to prepare, and I want to do it at home. Then finally, I will show you the trends, the main focus, show you everyone. But we have 11 people here, so I have to prepare 11 topics. That's a big job. So I think if you have idea about your topic, just let me know. Maybe we can prepare 3, 5, maybe 6 topics. Then next time, we can do treatments about these 6 or 5 topics. So think about that. If you have your topic about academic research paper, so then we can do it. So how to download this data? I want to teach you, because next time when we meet, you have to show me your data.